I made a marketing funnel that is up and running, and now I realized afterwards that I want to have an order bump on the thank you page, but it doesn't seem possible. Are there any way to make this happen? So it doesn't say whether you've given something away, which I'm assuming you have on the marketing funnel. But you want to sort of go direct them straight to another page, I'm assuming. So that's how I've interpreted that. So you've got your marketing funnel. We can do it via our courses. So if we go to our courses, and remember, this can't be done on a free offer. So let me just share my screen with you. So if I've got this test course, at the moment, this one is free. So I'm going to delete that out. I'm just going to add it in for $1. What you could do here is you could do it with 100% off coupon. So they don't actually pay for the course. So, but it doesn't, as far as the system goes, it needs to have a price on it. So one-time purchase, we're going to call it $10. We'll call it plan 1. And then we'll click finish. Now, the way that we do this is we go to pages. We go to the checkout page. And then you'll see here in this dynamic block, we can add an order bump. And that will open up a side area here. So courses, so we can add a course as an order bump. Let's do that one. Choose a plan. We can put an image in there. We can put a checkbox, text, blah, blah, blah. And then we just click save. And you'll see that it's been adding it in how to walk my large dog, which is there. So it's got $10. Then if I click on add, I can't do it because I'm editing it at the moment. If I added that on, it would be $10. Now, if I was to apply a coupon code to this, I could do the initial one for free and then do the upsell or the order bump directly like that. So that's another way of achieving the same thing. It's just a little bit more, you've got to work it out. Now, you can apply a coupon into a sales page link. That's a different training. And if you look on YouTube, you'll find out how to do that. But this one, as it's quite complex, this is a free Quack question. Oh, that was a 4 Quack question. So there we go. Another great example of thinking slightly differently in how we approach these things.